stranded on a desert island, the one kitchen item I would have with me is going to be a cast iron pot with the lid. I can store my water in here, store my food, and I can also keep it covered to protect it from the elements. And the most challenging thing for me that ever happened in a kitchen was when I was trying to get into a kitchen to work and to prove to the chef I was passionate about food. So I offered to work in the morning from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. for free and then start my regular job in a different part of the restaurant from 5 to 2 in the morning. I did this for 9 months straight, and I did it all for free. And after that, he decided to hire me, and eventually I became the first female sous chef he's ever had.
When their wake-up calls as I roll